So the European Central Bank, or ECB, is set to meet today and announce its monetary policy. No changes are expected, similar to the Fed yesterday, as well as the Swiss National Bank today. But the important thing to note is that it will be it's President Lagarde's first, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, if we look at Euro-USD and the technicals here, you can see that the bulk of its main technical indicators are neutral. Yes, its price is below all its main weekly long-term moving averages, the 50, 100, and 200-week MAs, and you can also see that there's a bit of a bear trend channel that's roughly held throughout 2019. So you can kind of forgive traders for holding a majority short bias, which in this case, if we want to map sentiment, blue dotted line for retail buys, green dotted line for COT buys, we can put a 50% line there. So whenever the dotted line is above, that means the majority long, and below, that means the majority short. So, and you can see that in the case of COT traders or larger speculative traders, according to the Commitment of Traders report released by the CFTC, they've been holding throughout 2019 a majority short bias. It's been quite consistent. In the case of retail traders, they've been range trading this move. So every time it goes down, the shorts take profit, longs initiate, and that's largely held in their favor in this case. However, you can see that recently they've shifted back towards majority short after holding a majority long bias for about a month or so. So overall in all, though, keep in mind that this is a major fundamental event whenever it comes to any central bank announcements or significant economic data, and that means technicals, sentiment, game theory, things like that ought to be shelved. So with that in mind, good luck trading today and happy ticks.